What's good, YouTube? So right here, I just got back from the store. I needed a new water bottle for work, so I grabbed this Gatorade bottle. It's the GX. I believe that there's a type of pod that you can put in here that makes Gatorade or something like that. I'm not exactly sure, but it opens two ways. You could pop it open with this little tab, or obviously you could unscrew it. It's pretty hard to do with one hand, honestly, but I'm almost there. Alright, come on. Yeah, it's a process. Alright, there we go. So, I just wanted to give you a little look at what this new type of Gatorade bottle looks like. It was like, I think it was like $9 or something, but not a bad deal. Yeah, you should grab one. You should check out the rest of my YouTube channel. I got a bunch of other videos about just unboxing videos, shoes, vape pens, just like everything. So check out my channel. I do unboxing stuff. Smack that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I make a bunch of other cool videos using this box. So yeah, check me out, y'all. Later.